This is Dr. Gary Tennant. I'm at the Emperor's Medicine. I have our award here of being voted the best holistic wellness center in Naperville. I want to talk a little bit about thyroid problems because thyroid problems are really prevalent in today's society. So I was just calculating, I've been in medicine for over 47 years. This is one of the most common things that we see. So I, as a functional medicine practitioner, work with people with thyroid conditions with the goal of having people feel better and be healthier and take the least amount of medicines that are possible. So I want to go through some of the symptoms and then offer people that they can take a questionnaire. This questionnaire has over 50 symptoms of thyroid conditions. You can pick it up at the Emperor's Medicine. Any of the staff members or practitioners can help you go through some of the symptoms that maybe you have thyroid conditions. The first most common symptom that people complain about is fatigue. So it's not just a fatigue like you're tired at the end of the day, it's where you really wear out. So maybe you go home from work and then you eat and then you just kind of crash. That's not normal and it's not a good way to live life. Some of the other symptoms are decreased concentration. A lot of patients say they have something like brain fog. Now this is very common to see with thyroid conditions because if you don't have enough thyroid hormone, it slows every system down, including your brain. Another one is libido. So when people have a lower thyroid condition, their libido drops off a cliff. So that's not a healthy way to live life. Probably the one that a lot of women complain about is dry skin or hair. And that would be one of the symptoms that maybe your thyroid needs to be checked. The fifth one is weight gain. There's lots of causes of weight gain, but if someone does not have their thyroid corrected, it is very rare that they can get their weight to where they want it to be. And then the last one, this is probably the most important one, is if your body temperature is low. And what that means is a typical normal body temperature is supposed to be 98.6. If it's not, it means the body is not working the way that it should. We see a lot of people with 97s or even 96 body temperatures, and the body just doesn't work well at those temperatures. So if your temperature has been low, and most of you had it checked a lot during COVID, take this questionnaire. It's real easy for us to score. If you have a lot of the symptoms, we'll tell you it could be mild, moderate, or severe. And the good news is 80 or 90% of people can get results with this type of treatment, natural, and get back to feeling good. This is Dr. Gary Tennant at the Emperor's Medicine.